The point of this is to network, to collaborate, to have discussions. I think to be an early stage investor, you have to add value. And that's our model, is venture capital with a plus. And we're really trying to build this ecosystem together.
Blockchain is this transformative, amazing technology. Africa has so much potential for this technology to solve problems and make lives better.
It feels like you guys aren't going anywhere. CVVC certainly isn't going anywhere, right? So I think we're just getting started.
So this is your family. We're here for you. We're here for this ecosystem. Thank you so much for coming here tonight.